Okay, this is our virtual learning schedule for the first 3 weeks of school. So looking at what we have, today was 8/17, so you should have had math, language arts, SEL, and blended learning, which could be found under the homeroom module, the homeroom course on your Canvas page. We met at 10 and 1 with those who were able to meet with their homeroom teachers. Tomorrow for Tuesday, day 2, you will have science, social study, media, global languages. So if you're taking Spanish, that would be a day that you would meet with Ms. Haas. So you will notice 6th graders are going to meet with their Core 1 teacher at 9. 7th graders meet at 11. But here's 8th grade. This is the last row you need to look at. So we will meet with Core 1 at 1 o'clock tomorrow. So you would go to your Core 1 teacher's Canvas page and locate that information with Teams. Wednesday, you will look at the schedule. You have math, language arts, and I'm not sure about, science and social studies. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I had to just double check. Okay, again, 1 o'clock, Core 2. Thursday, math, language arts, any of the arts, PE, and then art class. The arts would be chorus, band, orchestra. Then you have Core 3, again at 1 o'clock. Science, social studies, and SEL, and blended learning. So this day, as well as Thursday, I think, I can't remember, you are to have homeroom activities. Again, 4th core right here. So then, if we go down, it will go into the next week. So you'll want to make sure that you are paying attention to what's going on and that you are paying attention. Here's Core 1 for 8th grade, Core 2, but then look, Wednesday, you have Encore 1, then Core 3 on Thursday, Core 4 at 1 on Friday. Then again, here we go. 8th grade, Core 3 is on Monday the 31st. Core 4 is on the day 12. Then you have Encore 2 on this day. Then you have Core 1 on Thursday the 3rd, and you have Core 2. This is subjective and could change. So if it does, we will let you know, but I wanted to share this information with you.